Well, I'm here today to show you about the Microconic system offered by Masa Tool. The Microconic system in a nutshell is a high precision collet work holding system that is a replacement for the traditional extended nose collet that is commonly used in the subspindle of a Swiss type screw machine. It's a two-piece system. We have the cartridge, which fits into your machine just like a traditional collet, and then we have the Microconic collet that fits into the cartridge. Now what this does, the cartridge provides a rigid extended nose, a very high accuracy. Our entire system, we guarantee total run out of 0.2 TIR maximum. The way this works, you install our Microconic cartridge into the machine, you put the machine in the closed collet position, and then you install the Microconic collet. We use our micrograd wrench, which is a micrograd dial wrench. You insert a gauge pin that's the diameter of your part, and you tighten it onto the gauge pin. Now as soon as it's tight on the gauge pin, boom, right there, it's tight. You can see a little registration mark there. That would be your zero clamping force position. You note that position, you back it off 1/1000th diameter, remove the gauge pin, go back to zero, and then you dial in exactly how much clamping force you want. 1/1000ths would be very light clamping force, 2 to 3 thousandths would be moderate clamping force, 4/1000ths very heavy. You know, you get the picture. But the point is, you can dial in exactly how much clamping force you need. The cartridge itself controls the clamping force to a high degree of accuracy. Unlike in the machine's mechanism, the collet is here, the adjustment is back here. As the spindle warms up, it can change your clamping force. With our system, that will not happen. The clamping force is rock solid. Set it in the morning when the machine is cold, it will maintain for days after that. We make cartridges that fit standard TF25, TF37. We even offer a 5C version for chuckers and milling applications. They all work the same way. The same collet fits in any of our cartridges of the same series, and the adjustment can be transferred from machine to machine. You can even record that adjustment, that collet adjustment, and the new guy on the night shift, the day shift, they all set it the same way based on that adjustment. We also have a smaller series, which we have just introduced here at IMTS 2022 this year. This fits in small machines of 16 millimeter capacity and smaller. This will be for a TF15, TF16 collets, and we have our new UM5 micrograd collets. Now another advantage of the Microconic system, and this is amazing, we have the largest overgrip capability that you can get in a high precision collet system. Our overgrip collets open 4+ millimeters larger than the clamping diameter. It's amazing. Again, on even our overgrip collets, we guarantee 0.2 TIR maximum, very rigid, unparalleled rigidity. With traditional collets, you'll see that the clamping pressure is applied back on the taper portion of the collet, but the workpiece is out here at the nose of the spindle. With our system, we apply the clamping force right over top of where the workpiece is, and the difference in rigidity and accuracy is really amazing. It's phenomenal.